Okay, this is challenge number 7 for the subject information technologies. And first, I want to show you my cover for this app. Is this, and I have this here, a list picker, and I'm gonna show you the list picker. The list picker has these elements that are this the global variable menu with these three elements in the list. So. When this screen initializes, oh, forget this. I don't know why I put this. I also erased this. When the when I click on the first button of the list picker, it opens the screen number 1. That is the main screen with the lists. As you can see, I'm gonna here the shopping list and this. Now, when I click on the second, the info this thing shows this notifier with the information of this app, the developer that is me, and what's this, for which challenge and for which subject. And if I click on this, it takes me to the example of the programming time section at the challenge number 7 topic. As you can see, it asks to put a label, a text box, a button to submit, and a list picker, as well as the label in which the list has the elements. It asks you to do this thing, initialize the global tool list to create an empty list, and then set the elements of the list to the text box text. So if I put here dog, it adds this element to the global tool list and shows this in the label too, as well as it erases the text box. And if I put on the delete button, it sets the elements of the list picker to the variable to the list, the global. And when I click on something like dog, and the selection index of dog is 1, so it erases this element and shows the actual variable and the list picker. Now, at the shopping list, I haven't finished yet, but I have some advantages. As you can see, this is a shopping list. This is a button to, like a menu button with the options to get to the home, that it's the cover, to show the notifier, that it's the info, and to open the other screen with this example that I just have showed you. This is a button to not just to add to lists. Instead of that, I modified this button to also show a notifier to where's where here, add to list. This, it shows you a notification with two options. What you wanna add? A list for a specific supermarket or items, and you can cancel it. I think I'm gonna change this. Now, if you put in a list for a supermarket, a specific supermarket, it does this thing. Activates this arrangement that it's off when I initialize this screen. As you can see here, the arrangement is false. the visible is false. And when I click on here and I select a specific supermarket, it shows this thing, and also changes this text to another to add it. And the hint of the add items text box, this text box, it changes the hint to which supermarket you wanna add. Also changes the visible of this button that I click to false, and enables the other button that it's the close button. Now, if I select the other thing, items, if the list global supermarket is empty, it shows you this, that you need to fill the list, and it shows you the title error, and it's not else. If not empty the list, then it does these things. Now, which supermarket you wanna add? Yes. If you click on the close button, it does these things, and if you click on the close button when it's the hint of this is this text box is what you need to buy, it does the same thing. Okay. What else? This, I think I haven't showed you this. Now, if I click on the button to add, if the text box is empty, it shows you to this thing. I'm gonna change something on that text box. You need to insert something on the text box, and if it's not empty, it does this thing. It adds the text in the text box to this verb, and it shows you the elements in the list view, and it also erase the text of the text box. Else, if I'm gonna add something here, I don't know what I'm gonna add, but I'm gonna add something, then I'm gonna show you. And this, if I click on the button where it says add it, that it's when it's to create a supermarket list, it does this thing and shows the elements of this. I'm gonna show you more when I finish this.